Hey everyone, these are my top 5 VSTs or software instruments that I used for a long expected soundscape. Let's start right here at the start. This one is Albion Neo, and Albion Neo is by Spitfire, and a lot of my stuff that I'm going to show you is from Spitfire. I just love the way that stuff sounds. But I love using Albion Neo because we get an A section for the strings and a B section for the strings. And I like to pan the A section all the way to the left and the B section all the way to the right and put it on the flautando preset. So if we can get a sound from this. Just has a really, really nice warm sound to it. So I really like that. So that's number 1. Number 2, we have Albion Solstice, also by Spitfire. And here I like to use the flautando warm preset. Now this one, as you can hear, it has kind of ebbs and flows to it that make it sound very natural and very small scale almost. Very intimate sounding, I think. So I love using that one too. Now we have the Eric Whitacre Choir. Almost everything I show you is going to be from Spitfire today. But this is the Eric Whitacre Choir, and I like to use it on the Evolution preset, it's called. And let's have a listen to this. Oh, got stuck a little bit. Let's try that again. Really, really nice for the softer choir sections that I have to do in a lot of the Elven chapters have that. Now, next up we have the solo cello. So this is Spitfire's solo strings, and it's on total performance mode. Really, really nice for just solo melodies and things like that. All right. And finally, last of our 5, this is from Audio Imperia called Chorus. This one. Love using that one for the kind of epic ring wraith stuff, some of the more strong vocal elements. So those are my top 5 favorite plugins. There's plenty more that I used, plenty more instruments that I used, but those are just the top 5 that I loved and wanted to show you guys. So I hope you enjoy it.